Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a little quick intro to this video because it's very I feel like it's all over the place, but I wanted to show you guys how I got these blonde Marley twists, and I wanted to show you guys it in natural lighting. But this is how they look. I tried to do diamond partings kind of, but they didn't really come out exactly how I wanted them to. My edges aren't like laid or anything right now, but I didn't leave a lot of baby hair out in the front because I just don't really have time to be trying to lay baby hair. But this is how it looks, and yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little video for you guys. So yeah, these are a lot bigger than the other set of Marley twists that I used, and all the information on the hair that I got, the products that I used, will link down in my description box. These are pretty much going to be my spring protective style. All I've done differently is just add some little, you know, gold ropes and stuff like that to them. But I really like them, really lightweight, no tension, none of that. Right now I am doing my hair. I'll just talk while I'm doing my hair. Today I felt like doing some kind of blonde or dirty blonde, really chunky Marley twist, so that's what's going on right now. I washed my hair on Sunday. Today is Thursday, by the way, so I washed my hair on Sunday. I blew it out, not necessarily with the intent that I was going to be doing this, but just with the intent that I was going to do something different with my hair. I love wearing wigs, but sometimes you get tired of wigs and you want to switch it up. Plus, it's getting warmer outside, so yeah, I just want you guys to pretty much be able to see how I'm doing my hair. So I just parted, and I try to make, I've been trying to do diamond or triangular parts, and I'm not sure how successful I am with it. But I mean, at the end, you guys will see how they look. But pretty much, I part my hair. I don't really care like if they're even or not, like it doesn't really matter to me. The type of hair that I'm using is in the color T2780, and then like this is how it looks. So that's like that real ash blonde color. It gets blonder at the end, so I wanted to see if I can step out of my comfort zone again and do another style with something blonde. And then this is the color, and this is just a 1B30 mix. So they pretty much look similar, but not really. Like you can tell, like here you can see the difference, I guess. I don't know, I'm mixing them. So yeah, that's the hair. So yeah, this is the hair. And then I bought, I think, 8 packs for a total of $51. So you could go to somebody and pay them to do your hair, or you could do your hair yourself, which is the route I usually take. It saves me a lot of money. Not that I wouldn't, like, don't want to just, like, pay anybody, but it's like, you know, I'm a student, and if I could save money and do my own hair, I'm going to save money and do my own hair. People have asked me to install, like, chunky twists for them, so I may start doing that. I don't know. But okay, so here I have 2 triangle parts, I guess, right here. But I can't really see in the rest of my head, so I don't care if the rest is triangle parts. So I just parted how I feel like the hair will fit. So this is good for me. So after I do the part, I will take some edge control, and this is just to help my hair like lay down a little bit better. It just makes it look nice, and I'll apply it to like the base hair. So I'll do that, and then I'll take some gel. I'm using the Eco Styler Black Flaxseed Gel. Now, first of all, this gel smells really good. I like the thickness and I like the hold. So I'll just maybe like slide the comb. So yeah, then I just take it and I just keep wrapping the rubber band around my hair. So after I do that, I'll take my hair and I'll just pull lightly and tighten that rubber band. Like, and then I like twist my hair to make sure that you know, my hair's not gonna frizz out necessarily because it's tamed, like it's twisted. It's not gonna frizz out. So these are the mini rubber bands. I like to use the black ones. So you guys see I got my 2 twists right here, and now we can add hair. So So what I've been doing is I just grab it at random. So this is one of the 1B 30 pieces, and I take it and I like fluff it out. So I take it, rip it apart at the ends, and I've been using about 5 of these per twist. So if you want to gauge how much you need, I've been using either 4 or 5. Some of them I'll use 4. Most of them I'm using 5, but I like kind of like the slight variety in sizes with the twist. So like you see this, and then I'll like mix it. So I'll like take this and I'll just rip it all the way down to the bottom. So that way I could fit that 1B in the middle like that and get a nice mix. I know it looks really light on camera, but I'd rather my camera look this way than look yellow. So then we take that, and then I just add some extras. So take that. So that's 3 pieces. We're on our 4th piece now. And I bought, I think I bought 3 1B30s and 5 of these T2730 colors. But they look very, very similar. So if you were kind of worried about this color, then you could just, you know, you'll be fine with just using 1B30 in this brand at least, because in other brands the 1B30 looks a little bit more brassy. Okay, so I'm gonna just use 4 pieces right for this one, just to show you guys. So this is the 4 pieces, and I try to like merge them together better, but honestly, as long as my front and my back look good, so yeah, that's that. So I'll dip into my gel, and I pretty much apply it onto the hair because my hair is really, really dry, so you need something to kind of get it moist, like to get it a little bit moist and to help it mold together better. So I'll do that, and then while I'm doing that, I'm also like kind of teasing the bottom of the hair, making it a little bit uneven so it can be a little longer and not just so blunt at the ends. Like right here, this one I have right here, y'all see, I'll like dip that, I'll put a curler on it when I'm done and dip it in boiling water. So I'll take this and I twist it lightly, and I'll take my twist right here and I'll just attach it. So the way I attach it is I bring it around and I use my hair right here as a 3rd strand, and then I start to braid it like that. So I'm braiding, and y'all see why I said like twisting my hair before will make sure that 1, my hair doesn't get snagged, and 2, you know, it doesn't frizz out. So my twist that I have of my real hair, I like pretty much tuck that under all this madness and bushiness, and then I just start to twist. So I braid not for too long, because you're not trying to do like a plait, you're trying to get a twist. And then I just keep tightening it, and I just keep adding gel. So yeah, I'll add gel where I need gel, and just keep twisting and twisting and making sure that the hair is not like tangling up on itself. Yeah, I really like working with Marley Hair because it's so easy. It's already sectioned off. I don't have hair everywhere.
Want you to come on over even if I'm asleep. Wake me up in my dreams.